Welcome to Boutir Tutorials.
In this video, we'll be guiding you on how to integrate Firework to your online store.
For better experience, please watch this video in full screen mode and turn on the subtitles. Now, let's begin.
Firstly, we will guide you on how to register and link your Firework account. Launch your Boutir app to start. Scroll down and choose Set up Firework. Next, choose Connect to Firework. To create your account, enter your email address. You can also create an account via Facebook, Google, or phone number. Once done, click Continue. Then, tap on Authorize. Next, select Create New Business. You will then be redirected back to the app page. Here, you can ensure that the Show in Storefront option is enabled. Then, at Select Channel, choose your shop. A pop-up will then appear to confirm your actions. Once done, click Save. Next, we will move on to adding videos to your Firework account. Launch your Boutir app to start. Scroll down and choose Set up Firework. Choose Manage Videos. It will then redirect you to your Firework page. Now, choose Add Content and choose Upload Video. Tap on Click to upload. You may choose the video from your device photo library. Once uploaded, you will be able to see the preview of the video. Scroll down and fill in the required details. Tap Create to upload the video to your store. To see what the video looks like in your online store, open your website. Here, you will see the videos that you have uploaded.
With that, your store is now set. Download Boutir now on Google Play Store or App Store.